In this part, we continue preparing and making the cross-section of the river. We arrive at drawing the river cross-section in the AutoCAD program via LISP title Google Earth and then transferring the coordinates of the river cross-section to the Excel program via the same LISP and drawing the river cross-section in the Excel program as follows. We load the LISP where we go to the command bar and in it we type APP. Then we choose APP load or application load. Then we go to the following path. And we choose the list titled Google Earth. Then we press on load. Then load once. Then close. Then we go to the command bar and we type VBA. Then we choose VBA run. Then we press on run. Then it asks to enter the passcode. So we press enter key, then OK. Then it asks to select objects. So we activate the river cross section with the start point. Then we press enter key. Then it asks to enter first point of the datum line. So we click on the start point. Then we enter the datum value, which is 211. As we see. Then it asks to enter vertical scale, which is 0.026681,005. So we enter this value. As we see. Then it asks to enter the station distance, which is the distance where the elevation of the river cross section appears. So we type 25 meter. Then it asks to enter the horizontal distance, which is 442.2592 meter. Then it asks, do you want to draw the profile? We type Y or yes, then we press on the enter key. Then it asks to enter the horizontal scale, so we type 1. Then it asks to enter the vertical scale, so we type 0.1. Then it asks us to enter the position of the modified profile, so we choose the position. Then the profile of the river cross section appears as we see. Then we press on the escape key. Then it asks, do you want to export to an Excel file? We type Y or yes. Then we press enter key. Then it asks to enter the path where you want to save the file, so we go to the project file. And we save the path by Ctrl C. Then we paste the path in the command bar by Ctrl V. Then we press enter key. Then OK. Then we go to the project file and we open the exported river cross section in the Excel file titled stations and elevations.csv. And in it we rearrange the values, so we activate the first column. Then we go to the data menu. Then we press on text to column. Then next, then we tick on space. Then next, then finish. Then the distance for the river cross section for every 25 meters appears in the first column, and the corresponding elevations for each distance appear in the second column. Then we check the results and we correct the results according to the picture of the river cross section as we see. Then we make a chart for the resulted river cross section. As we see, then we save the resulted river cross section in the project file with the title 5 cross section. By that, we have finished drawing the river cross section.